Most people live two lives, the one they have and the one they could have. When will you stop procrastinating? Stop waiting for life to happen. Make it happen for you. What are you really doing with your life? This change is personal. Didn't you say you wanted to be great, yet you wake up late, sleep late, don't study, and don't work out? You don't act like you truly want it. No one will feel sorry for you when you fail. That's your responsibility. We're tired of falling short and letting ourselves down. I'm done holding back. I'm getting on the path to success no matter how long it takes. Now is the time to attack life with everything we've got. What do you have to lose? Commit to this and it will be the greatest transformation of your life. How? By upgrading yourself. If you feel like you have nothing going for you, think of it as having nothing to lose. This makes you dangerous. Stop looking for distractions. Put this video on full screen and give me your full attention. You'll gain the knowledge to change your life. Be a person of action. Successful people start before they're ready. Procrastination costs you the life you could have had. Stop talking about your goals and start working toward them. Talking about goals gives your brain the same dopamine as achieving them. I kept telling my friends I would make it on YouTube. I promised to stop procrastinating and work on my goals, but I failed every time. Telling them gave me unearned dopamine and let them down. There is no perfect time. The time is now and you're wasting it. I decided to go into ghost mode and grind, trusting God. It worked. I'm not saying quit socializing, but get your priorities straight. Focus on your goals. Dedicate a few months to lock in. The hunger during grinding is different. Maintain it. Don't feel anxious. God is with you. When I decided to attack my goals, I had the greatest transformation of my life. I barely recognized the person I was. Consistency is key. Work out every day. If you keep going, your competition will fall off. Physical benefits are great, but the mental benefits are even better. Working out daily builds discipline, which carries over into everything else. It stops overthinking, releases healthy dopamine, and boosts confidence. After a tough workout, life gets easier because you have overcome a challenge. Other tasks seem easier. It's hard to start working out daily, but after 2 weeks, it becomes a habit. Working out at the same time every day builds anticipation and energy. This can help you become a morning person. We need to be disciplined and tackle hard tasks. Build character. Destroy negative beliefs. Stop thinking you can't succeed. Fill your mind with positive thoughts and visualize the life you want. When negative thoughts come, take a deep breath and switch to positive affirmations. To transform your life, set a goal, work toward it, and keep a clear vision of it in your mind. Everyone's goals are different. My goal is to grow my YouTube channel. Programming your mind for success is crucial. Check your mental diet. Are you feeding your mind the right information? Are you around people who make you better or bring you down? Our thoughts become our actions. Surround yourself with winners, not lazy people. Hanging around negative people will only hold you back. Surrounding yourself with ambitious people will change your life. Their positive energy will make you more ambitious and keep you accountable. It's a win-win for everyone. Consistency is the final key. What's better? Working out for 2 hours a day for a month or 30 minutes a day for a year? Consistency compounds for greater success. Transforming yourself is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going and you will grow. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.